So today's inquiry is, how can we multiply a polynomial by a polynomial using the grid method? We've already learned how to use the distributive property, so now we're going to use this method to help you organize your work. First step is fill in the monomials in the rows and columns. And I'm going to explain what this means. Notice, the first parenthesis has two monomials, x and -8. So your column is going to be two levels. One for x and one for -8. Your two rows. Now here, your second parenthesis also has two terms. So your two columns, so there will be two columns, xn plus 9. So now simply, you're going to multiply each individual monomials. Multiply the monomial and combine like terms. So here, x times x is x squared. -8 times x is -8x. Notice everything is nice and organized here. 9 times x is 9x. And 9 times -8 is -72. Now that you have all your monomials multiplied, you're going to combine like terms. So here, x squared is all by himself. There are no like terms. These two terms are like terms, so we're going to combine them. 9 minus 8 is positive 1x. And here, -72 is all by itself. So here is your final answer. You can use this method for any type of polynomials. So stop the video and try to do the next one on your own. So notice here you have a binomial, two terms multiplied by a trinomial. You're still able to use the same method. There are two rows because there are two terms in the first parentheses, x and plus 3. And notice there are three columns because there are three terms in the second parentheses. So each term gets its own column. And now you're going to multiply each individual monomial. X times x to the second is x to the third. X times -5x is -5x squared. Notice I'm just multiplying the coefficients and adding the exponents. X times 3 is 3x. 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times -5x is -15x. And 3 times 3 is 9. Combining my terms, which are on the diagonal. X to the third. 3 minus 5 is -2x squared. -15 plus 3 is -12x plus 9. This is your final answer in standard form from highest exponent to lowest exponent. And that's how you multiply using the grid method.